POD for February 2nd. What is the volume of the rectangular prism in cubic units? Beth says the answer is 32. Is she correct, and how did she get this answer? Well, again, if we go back to our star chart, we have volume equals length times width times height. So we know our volume is going to be length times width times height. And we see that they haven't filled up the whole box, but they are kind of guessing what the whole box will be. So when we're counting, we have to remember that these boxes here are not floating on thin air. They have to be sitting on a box back here. So if I'm counting my length, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's a little hidden box back there of 5. Width, that's going to be this side. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, and then that hidden box again is going to make 4. And then our height, we're going to have 1, 2, and then that hidden box is going to be 3. So now we have 5 times 12, and then we have volume equals 60 cubic units. Now, how did she get 32? Well, if we don't count that hidden box, we would see that we had the volume equals 4 times 3 times 2. Now if we solve that, that gives me 12 times 2, and that only gives me 24. So she might have just miscounted, and we have to remember to add in that extra box so that we end up with the correct amount of 60 cubic units.